Well, here are some of my creations I made today. These are the agave plants. Um, that's the monster agave right there. I don't know what's the name. I think it's called forgot what the name is, but this thing is a giant, so it need a massive, huge pot. And then these are all the babies that came off of them, and that's a lot of babies. But don't worry, look at that fang. That thing looks like a dang devil himself. But trust me, he's gonna get massive. That's why you have to put in big pots. And then over here, we got the classic. I think these are called the Americanas agave, and these things get massive. But if you take care of them and you trim them and you remove the babies and you make more potted plants, these things are beautiful. Just people don't know how to maintain them. So anyway, I hope you like this little short and brief reel of these new beautiful babies I just potted today. And there's actually someone that wants some of these, so it's good I did it. Anyway, you guys have a great evening. I'll talk to you later.